Metal carbenes and metal carbines. We have been studying about organometallic compounds in which transition metal is connected to carbon through single bond. Now recently transition metal compounds containing metal carbon double bond and triple bonds were discovered. Organometallic compounds in which metal is connected to carbon through double bond are called carbenes or alkylidene, and organometallic compounds in which metal is connected to carbon through triple bond are called carbines or alkylidines. Now consider what is metal carbenes. So metal carbenes are organometallic compounds in which metal is bonded with carbon through double bond. And metal carbenes are of two types, Fischer carbene and Schrock carbenes. The first carbene complex was reported in 1964 by Fischer and Maspol, and this carbene is named as Fischer carbene. It can be prepared by the following route, that is by the reaction of hexacarbonyl tungsten with methyl or phenyl lithium to generate an acyl anion, which was then alkylated with diazomethane and a product obtained, and this product is called Fischer carbene. Now about the features or characteristics of the Fischer carbenes. We know that carbenes exist in two spin states, singlet state and triplet state. But in Fischer carbenes, the carbenes exist in singlet state. Also, at least one substituent on carbene carbon should be capable of donating electron density. So usually the carbene carbon is attached with oxygen atom or nitrogen atom which contain lone pair of electrons, and these electrons can be donated to carbon, making the carbon oxygen or carbon nitrogen bond a double bond character. Now about the metal in Fischer carbene. The metal will be usually in low oxidation state, and also metal contains other ligands which are capable of accepting pi electrons, or the ligands are pi accepting, and the best example is carbonyl group. Now about the bonding in Fischer carbenes. First, the pair of electrons in the sp2 orbital of carbon in carbene may be donated to metal to form a sigma bond, and there is an empty pz orbital on carbene. This empty pz orbital accepts pi electron density from the filled orbital of metal to give a metal carbon double bond. Also, the electrons from filled orbital of oxygen or nitrogen which is attached to carbene carbon also donated to carbon to form carbon oxygen double bond. So that is about the bonding in Fischer carbene. So summarizing the features once more, the Fischer carbene contains carbene in singlet state, and the metal will be usually in low oxidation state, and the metal carbon bond is in between that of single bond and double bond order. And last, since the carbene carbon contains a vacant orbital, pz orbital, Fischer carbene behave as electrophilic. So in reaction, Fischer carbene is electrophilic in nature. So these are the features of Fischer carbenes. In 1974, Schrock discovered a class of carbenes which are nucleophilic, and named as Schrock carbines. The preparation route is given below. And features of Schrock carbines. Schrock carbines, the carbene is in triplet state. Also, the metals usually will be in high oxidation state, and there is no pi accepting auxiliary ligands on metal attached. And the Schrock carbene is nucleophilic in nature. And about the bonding in Schrock carbines, the carbene is in triplet state. So there are two orbitals containing one unpaired electron on each orbital. These two orbitals on carbene, each containing one electron, overlap with the two metal orbitals, which provides one electron each, forming a sigma and pi bond. So these are about Schrock carbines. Summarizing once more, the Schrock carbene, the carbene carbon contains no attached electron donating groups like oxygen or nitrogen, and hence the carbene is in triplet state. Since the carbene is in triplet state, there is no vacant orbital, or all the orbitals are singly occupied, and hence Schrock carbene behave as nucleophilic. And also metal will be in high oxidation state, and there is no pi accepting auxiliary ligands unlike Fischer carbines. Next is about metal carbines. When metal is attached to carbon through triple bonds, then the complex is called metal carbines. And similar to carbines, there are two types of carbines, Fischer carbine and Stoke carbines. In 1975, Fischer's group reported the first complex containing metal carbon triple bond, and the synthetic route is given here. Here the starting material is Fischer carbene, and it is treated with BX3. BCl3 can be used, and we get Fischer carbine. So from Fischer carbene he got Fischer carbine. Similarly, the synthetic route for the preparation of Schrock carbines from Schrock carbene is given here. Now about the electronic arrangement in carbines. First, consider Fischer carbine. There are two electrons in sp hybrid orbitals and one electron in unhybridized pz orbital. Donation of two electrons in sp orbital to empty orbital on metal gives sigma bond formation, and the pairing of p electrons on carbine carbon with one from the metal atom gives a pi bond. A second pi bond is also results from the donation of electron pair from metal to empty p orbital of ligand. So this is the bonding description of Fischer carbine. So these are about carbines, and note that in Fischer carbine, the carbine is in doublet spin state, while in Schrock carbine it is in quartet spin state. Also in Fischer carbine it is the metal is in low oxidation state, while in Schrock carbine, just like Schrock carbine, the metal will be in high oxidation state. And there is much similarity between Schrock carbine and Schrock carbine, and Fischer carbine and Fischer carbine.